Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Shamsur Rakhi, lecturer, Department of Agricultural Studies, Milestone College. Today I will discuss about chapter 7, section 1, concept and importance of family agricultural farm. And from my today's discussion, you will be able to know what is farm, importance of family agricultural farm, family vegetable farm, family poultry farm, and poultry health management. Dear students, as our today's topic is about family agricultural farm, so let's know about what is farm. Farm is one piece of land that is used for agricultural production. According to science, there are two types of farm. One is commercial farm and others is family farm. In case of commercial farm, it requires huge manpower, huge capital, and the risk is also high. But in case of family farm, it requires less capital, less risk, and the manpower doesn't matter because each and every family member will work for the family farm. Now, students, let's know about the importance of family agriculture farm. The family agriculture farm will fulfill the demand of food and nutrition of family members. It will facilitate the employment facility for the unemployment family members. The proper utilization of leisure time will occur through doing family agriculture farming. The feces of livestock and poultry can be used as manure in our crop production. The livestock and poultry fishes also can be used in biogas plant so that the demand of wood will be reduced. Now, I'll discuss about the family vegetable farm. By establishing family vegetable farm, each and every corner of a farmer's house will be utilized and farmer will be profitable by selling this vegetable to the market. If farmers can take advice from the experienced farmer, they can be cultivated vegetables all the year round, and by the cultivation of advanced vegetable, it will cut good profit. As we know, the demand of advanced vegetable is high in the market. As we are not using any kind of chemical fertilizer and insecticide in our family agricultural farm, so the vegetables of the family agricultural farm will be more safe, and it will be healthier also. Now I will discuss about the family poultry farm. In case of Bangladesh, the chicken and duck rearing is used as poultry rearing. Normally, the farmers of our country use the local variety of chicken and duck for the rearing purpose because the local varieties of chicken and duck doesn't need any supplement of feed from the other side because they eat itself by moving around. But nowadays, some farmers took the family poultry farming seriously, so that they are rearing modern breed of chicken and duck, so that they are gaining more profit from the modern breeds. By rearing a modern breed, we can rear almost 50 to 300 chicken and duck at a time. If farmers can take any kind of training, they can be benefited because it will help them in case of chicken and duck rearing. Now, dear students, let's know about the poultry and health management. Health management means keeping poultry healthy by disease prevention and giving treatment to the sick birds. As we know, the prevention is better than cure, so we will have to focus on disease prevention. For poultry health management, we will have to focus on some features. So dear students, let's know about it. At first, we will have to start the farm with healthy birds so that by born or genetically they will be less affected with disease. The farm must be free from flood, and for this we will have to establish the farm in a higher place. It should be well drainage facility. It should have well drainage facility so that flood water or rainwater will not stand on the farm. We'll have to keep the floor and the litter dry, and it will help the chicken and duck to be healthy. We know that the moist and wet weather helps the duck and chicken to become diseased. The farm will have a well ventilation facility, and it must have a proper sunlight and the aeration facility also. To it will We will have to supply balanced feed and balanced feed and pure drinking water so that it will help the chicken and duck to remain healthy. The diseased bird must be separate from the healthier one, because if the diseased bird remain in the same place with the healthier one, it will make disease the healthy birds. And if we follow all the features, we will be able to make a profitable poultry farm in our family level, and the farmers will be more profitable. Dear students, hope my today's discussion will help you and it will be beneficial for you. If there is any question or query, please let me know. Thank you for your patience hearing.